What's up, everybody? So today, guys, the G having some problems. The axle broke. I believe it was the axle. We gotta go find that out in a second. But the axle is does not like me right now. I've been having a problem with this car for a while with axles snapping. So today we're gonna do a how-to video on replacing the left driver axle. So we'll see how this goes. First, we're gonna jack this mother trucker up, and yeah, this little tow hook to jack mine up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. Hear the noise from the driver side rear. So after, let's see if I can get the camera on there. After consideration of looking at this thing right here, let me try to spin it. We have a nice little black spot forming, and if you look at this, it's moving really weird. So that is definitely a broken axle inside the boot. It's got all that play right there, all that freaking play. So this one right here is a good axle, no play at all. So definitely the axle needs to come out. These are 14mm bolts. I'm gonna take them out and show you guys how I did it. Before you do all of that, guys, make sure you take your wool off. And I believe this is, I have to see what size, I'll let you know the size in a minute. The bolt off, the wool's off. I have a 32, I think. And this is a 32, yeah. 32 socket, put it on top of that thing right there. I'm gonna put my impact gun on it. Let me take this off, come on. Ah, there we go. Then, we're gonna pop that thing loose. Hold on, let me put this up right here. Can't even sit it still. There we go. Hope that can see that view. Hopefully. We'll see later on. Pop that right off. Got it right off right there. Looks good. I said earlier these were a 14. I believe they still are 14. This would be a lot easier if you had somebody to help you. So this is tight. Let me pop these loose. So hold on a second. But these are gonna be 14s, I believe. I'm trying to make sure for facts. And yeah, I'm doing this right here to make sure first. Oh, it does not like that. All right, so a good thing just about this is I don't have the handbrake on. You're gonna need the handbrake on to pop these off. So this is 6-speed, so I have to put the handbrake on. But yeah, it's not gonna work. So let me get up there and pull the handbrake. This doesn't like me. It's like, no. I might have to use a manual one. I mean the actual ratchet, but we'll see how this goes. Oh, that one came loose. Yeah. You get the picture. I'm not gonna show you all these, but yeah, you get what you need to do. You get all 6 bolts out right here. You should be able to slide it out. Make sure you have that, you have the lug nut still on there. I have mine still on there, so it should drop right out like that. 16 bolts. Not too crazy, but yeah, 16 bolts. 6 bolts, they're 14mm. And you're just gonna pull it out. Let me see if I can get over here without hurting myself. It's like, let me pull you out, come on. Like, let's get it at that length. Should just pull right out. So I can't do it with 2 hands. 1 hand, hold on. Here it is. This one was definitely bad. You can see the play in that thing right there. And then look inside of this thing, man. Looking, God, this is supposed to be flat. This one did not like what it was doing at all. This is a new part too, man. Had it for a month in the car. Believe it, in the start of the thing, it's just because of how low the car is and the bushings, bro. the bushings and then the differential itself. I don't know. We'll see more when I get into it. And then here you go, guys. Here's the old one. As it's showing you, this should not look like that. It should not look like this at all. It should look like this. And yeah, pretty good. So I'm gonna come underneath the car and try to put the axle in at the same time while holding the camera. All right, so, oh God, I can't show you guys. All right, here we go. So I'll put this up above this, I think that's the brake line for the handbrake, I think, yeah, brake line, yeah. Anyway, but yeah, put it above that, and then I slide this up. Make sure your parking brake is off right now for this part, and then I slide it up here, top, put in some of the screws to line it up. There's a certain amount of torque you need to put for these too as well. Some people lose Loctite. I'm not using that because most likely this is gonna come off again and break for me again. But yeah, just put the bolts in. Make sure the bolts are that way, just like this. Oh, this one does not want to go in. Hold on, gotta readjust this. Trying to line it up. But some people use Loctite or whatever. I'm not gonna use that because most likely I'll be taking these off again and redoing this whole setup down here. But yep, that's how you put them in. And that's how it should look. All 6 bolts tightened in. And now let's go put that nut on the end. Pause. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. All right, but make sure you tighten this thing down with a 32. That's what I used. And then I'm gonna put my pin in here. I didn't have a pin in it earlier because I didn't get it one from the auto store that last time. So yeah, make sure I'm gonna snippet this. I can't do it while I'm talking, so or while I'm holding the camera, so let me do this. After everything's taken care of, you should have your bolt on there, and then I forgot what it's called, but it's like a little clip, whatever. You can bend it up so it doesn't fall out. It's like a retaining clip. And just tighten your lugs up, put your car back down, and hopefully that helps you fix it. That's probably how I'm gonna end off the video, guys, but thank you for watching. Hopefully I helped you guys out. Thank you.